Welcome back to the Mini Trader's comprehensive algo trading course. In this episode, we'll dive into some examples of if statements in Python. We'll start with a basic example and gradually build up to more complex scenarios. So let's start. First, let's demonstrate how to find the maximum of three numbers using if, elif, and else statements. We'll use a Jupyter notebook for this. I want to show you two ways of doing this. Let's take a look at first method. We need to define three numbers and assign them to three variables. For being simple, we provide the numbers, but in real-world applications, these numbers can come from many resources. They might be asked from users, or they can be high prices of three candles coming from market information, etc. Then we have three conditions which are combined. As you can see, the first condition checks if number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2 and also number 3. If it does, so it's the maximum number. Now you can understand the second and the third conditions. You can change the value of number 1, number 2 and number 3 to observe different results. The second way is to assign the first number to the maximum number and then compare the other two with the first one. We can change the numbers and you'll see how it works. Next, we'll show you to identify if a number is positive or negative using if statements. As you know, the positive numbers are greater than 0 and negative numbers are less than 0. So we need three conditions like what you see. You can modify the value of number to check if it's positive, negative, or 0. In the world of algorithmic trading, understanding if statements is a fundamental skill. It allows us to make decisions and control the flow of our trading algorithms. Don't forget to experiment with different values to see how your code reacts. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the Mini Traders channel. We have a lot more exciting content and trading strategies to share with you. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more in-depth tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.